How to get customer reviews on Shopify. So the first step is to simply click on Add Apps, then scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Now here you're gonna have to simply search for reviews, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply install this one here, which has a free plan, and then simply click on the install button. Now you're gonna get redirected here, so again click on install. And now what you're gonna have to do next, so we're gonna have to set up this app. As you can see, it's loading, and here you're gonna have to choose your store language. Here if you want to send them emails, so I'm gonna skip as you can see, auto leave review. So after obtaining customer consent, if no feedback is received within a certain period, the system will automatically mark it as positive review. So click on continue. And as you can see, now we're gonna have to simply enable this to our store, and basically people can start leaving reviews to our products. So simply enable this, then click on save, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.